All right, let's turn now to your weather, and boy, do we have a lot to talk about this evening. Now, for right now, pretty calm. It's warm out there. You can see the sun filtering through some clouds. All those clouds indicators of the moisture that has moved into the area, which of course is one of the things needed for thunderstorms. The other thing we're dealing with is above average temperatures. 77 out there, feels like 79, so plenty of warmth, plenty of moisture. So we have the ingredients necessary to at least get some thunderstorms started. You can see out there right now a few showers. These are not storms. These are all just light showers developing along the I-45 corridor. Other than that, not a whole lot going on right now. And as a matter of fact, we're not going to see anything happen here for a little while yet. Out there right now, winds are out of the southeast. That's where that moisture flow is coming from. Pretty breezy, 15 up to about 20 miles per hour. Temperatures, again, well above the average out there right now, 77, 76 degrees across central Texas. So there, again, plenty of warmth and plenty of moisture to work with. So what is the timing on this? Well, now we need something to get all that off the ground. We got to wait for that next storm system to arrive, and it looks like it's going to do so as we approach the overnight hours. That's right, after most of us go to bed, that's when we expect these storms to start moving in. Take a look here. Again, maybe some scattered shower activity, but notice where we are. We're already all the way to 11 o'clock tonight, and there's still not really anything in terms of a line of storms on our forecast yet. Here it comes, though, as we approach 2 o'clock, 3 in the morning, and you can see it is just now approaching our far western counties. There's some stronger activity there embedded in this line. I'm going to tell you right now, most of the severe threat is going to be to our north, but it's not zero for us. We do have that chance to see a few isolated severe cells in the overnight hours. Fast forward to about 5 o'clock, and that's when it starts moving through Goldthwaite, Hamilton, Meridian for tomorrow morning. When does it get to the I-35 corridor? Well, that's the problem. I-35 is a fairly popular highway in this part of the region, and take a look here. It's going to cross I-35 right around 7 o'clock, right around that morning commute. So even if we don't see severe weather, I'm going to say this right now, this is still going to be a mess because this is going to be right around your morning commute. So those storms are going to move over right as you're heading off to work, and then moving through the I-45 corridor. They're about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then everything is gone by 10 or 11. This is a fast-moving system, but as it comes through, there are a couple of concerns that we have to talk about. One is going to be straight line winds. Anytime we get a squall line, that is that kind of semi-solid line of storms moving through, our biggest concern will be straight line winds, 50, 60 miles per hour. Damaging winds are possible. Our secondary threat behind that is going to be around 1-inch hail, quarter-sized hail, but I'm not expecting this to be a huge hail maker, and there is the possibility, though it is low, of a brief spin-up tornado. Notice I didn't put anything about flooding, and the reason for that is because this storm system is going to be moving so fast, I don't think flooding is going to be much of a concern. Level 1 there, risk does shift off to the east after 6 a.m. You can see now we're in the I-35, I-45 corridor, but again, the threats will remain the same tomorrow morning as well. After all of that, after the storms move on, we still have more to talk about. We have a wind advisory in effect from 11 o'clock tonight through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, and a red flag warning. This is a high fire danger warning for Coryell, Bell, and Milam counties tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Outdoor burning after the storms move through, don't do it. It's just, this is really ideal conditions for fires to start and spread quickly. Take a look at these wind gusts. This is when the storm system comes through, 5:15. This is as the storm system comes through. This is behind the system. This is after the rain stops. Wind gusts as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour. Things will calm down by the end of the day Tuesday, but with wind gusts at 45 in that westerly direction, yeah, it's going to be dangerous in terms of fire danger out there tomorrow afternoon. So keep that in mind. Do not do any outdoor burning for tomorrow. For all of that, we have a weather impact alert for the entire day tomorrow. Storms early, wind late, and then after that, we're going to get cooler for Wednesday and Thursday before we start warming up into the rest of your week. They're Friday, 75, and then we'll see another system come through, potentially some more showers for your Friday, but really not a great chance of rain there, and then we start warming up as we head into next week. Of course, to keep up with everything that's going on tonight and tomorrow, download our 6 Plus app. It's free on your TV, and you can watch us there anytime.